just one of the films that's going to be screened at this festival. This is the closing film. So this is the one that will bring down the house in May. It's a film called Gadar, directed by Amitoj Man, starring, hang on to your seats, Harbhajan Man. Tell me you know who this actor is, yes? He has fans by the thousands, and I know they're all going to show up in Mississauga when this film screens. And the music is by Sukshinder Shinda, which I am told is also a very, very big name in the industry. So please have a look at Gadar.
encounter no Mr. DGP, no encounter. A sorry kid, mauti.
You noticed some of the scenes, but it was actually shot in Peel Region in Brampton and in Toronto, parts of the film. That's pretty cool. I'm really sad they didn't call me to act in it, but that's okay. I actually am a big fan of Harbhajan Man. His films are absolutely awesome, and I know many, as Marvel said, because she's seen all of them. He is absolutely terrific, and there are lots of fans of this wonderful filmmaker.